Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great. Great voice start at least. And welcome back to this new video on Jasmy here. Wanted to do a full update on the current situation. We've been relatively bearish. I mean, on Thursday, I posted about this on X as well. Thursday we had a major sell candle. I mean, you can see this red candle that's a little bit grayed out. Was very high volume. That's the highest volume we've seen since, well, what is it? Like the 25th of April, when we hit that major resistance level at 1.85 cents for the first time. So pretty major, but I've no idea what happened. I mean, it could be market makers, could be the team selling. Who knows who has tokens, right? Nobody does. Could also just be a will. It is possible. The move is big, but it's not that big that it only has to be the team or market makers. But what that means, and for Jasmy in general, the last time I covered this, Jasmy actually showed quite promising. That was right here on Wednesday, all right? And Jasmy was trying to break above this yellow area right here, which is the POC. That's the point of control of the entire range. And perhaps also all of the price action from Jasmy in 2024, all right? So the POC, point of control, is the area where most volume was traded. So that's normally also where most liquidity is. And that's a very crucial level. My apologies, there's something in my eye. But that's also very often a crucial level you want to break above if you want to get to higher levels, right? And Jasmy really wanted to break above that level to potentially, I know it sounds crazy right now, was very possible back then to get into 2.25, 2.4, and maybe 2.5, which is ultimately the top of the range right here, and ultimately what you are going to get to if we're going to be able to hold support. However, from a failed breakout we had eventually on Wednesday, we did not break out, all right? So in the video, we also said, you know, we need to get this breakout. If we don't, going to pull back lower. But after a failed breakout into a weird selling order, we're now going to test the main support level. And the main support level, which you can also see was tested twice as well right here in October and November 2024. The main support level is right here at 1.65 cents. So that's 0.0165. And not only is that a major high time frame support level, as you can see, but no, we also have an imbalance there. We have the previous month POC. We have the 30-day rolling VWAP. All right, so you have a lot of confluences there. We need to get a strong reaction there. All right, short term, still quite a lot of bearish pressure in the markets. Short term, I think we're going to drop down into that. I think we're going to find support there, at least initially, right? So there's so many confluences. I can almost not believe we will not find support there. But the only way we can actually confirm that this is the bottom and that we can actually stay in this range to the upside is if we're going to be able to break above 1.77 cents afterwards, all right? That's also an important intraday key level, and you have the 200 EMA there. All right, break above that, bottom is confirmed. We can talk about some bullish momentum again. If we're unable to break above that, I think the risk of dropping down into 1.5 again is too high. But that I will keep you updated on. All right, at this point of time, given the strength of the support level in combination with where the altcoin indices are right now, if you take a look at others, which is basically basically altcoins, let's keep it at that. That's near a major support level as well. All right, so that lines up very, very well with the support level for Jasmy. So therefore, in combination with the specific situation for Jasmy, I would say it's most likely we're going to pull back into that, find support, and then also get that bullish reclaim. Although that bullish reclaim, we'll have to see. That's the main thing I'll keep you updated on. But for now, I think that's what you need to know regarding Jasmy. Hopefully it helps. But for now, have a great rest of your weekend. Take care and bye.